We are going to conjugate the verb نجح, succeed, in the past tense. Let's begin with a few examples. نجحوا بعد عمل شاق. They succeeded after hard work. نجح مشروعه. His project succeeded. نجح في الحصول على الوظيفة. He succeeded in getting the job. نجح في اجتياز الامتحان. They both succeeded in passing the exam. Let's begin with the verb نجح in the first person, meaning when we are talking about ourselves. أنا نجحت. I succeeded. نحن نجحنا. We succeeded. As you notice in the first person singular, the verb carries the suffix to. And in the first person plural, the verb carries the suffix na. أنا نجحت. نحن نجحنا. You need to remember that the suffix for the first person singular, نجحت, carries ta with dhamma. نجحت, I succeeded. Because the past tense can carry ta with fatha. نجحت, which means you succeeded, for singular masculine. Or carry ta with a kasra. نجحتي, which means you succeeded, in the feminine singular form. Now the past tense of the verb نجح in the second person. أنت نجحت. You succeeded, singular masculine. أنتِ نجحتِ. You succeeded, feminine singular. أنتما نجحتما. You succeeded, masculine dual. أنتما نجحتما. You succeeded, feminine dual. أنتم نجحتم. You succeeded, masculine plural. أنتن نجحتن. You succeeded, feminine plural. As you notice, the verb in the second person carries all the time a suffix at its end. All the verbs you are seeing carry the letter ta. Ta is for singular masculine. Ti is for feminine singular. Tuma is for dual, whether it be feminine or masculine. Tum is for the plural masculine, and tunna is for plural feminine. As you notice, the pronouns and the verbs share the same ending alphabets. أنت نجحت. أنتِ نجحتِ. أنتما نجحتما. أنتم نجحتم. أنتن نجحتن. And now the past tense of the verb نجح in the third person. هو نجح. He succeeded, masculine singular. هي نجحت. She succeeded, in the feminine singular form. هما نجحا. They both succeeded, masculine dual. هما نجحتا. They both succeeded, feminine dual. هم نجحوا. They succeeded, masculine plural. هن نجحن. They succeeded, feminine plural. Generally, the verb in the past tense in the third person carries suffixes at its end. Ta with sukun is for the singular feminine. The alif is for dual, whether it be feminine or masculine. U in najahu is for the plural masculine, and na is for the plural feminine. If we summarize the grammar rules for the third person, ta with sukun is for the singular feminine. Alif is for dual, both masculine and feminine. U, as in najahu, is plural masculine, and na is for the plural feminine.